Meaning of evil eye.
Evil eye.
Evil eye.
Evil eye.
Evil eye. The evil eye is a belief held in many cultures that a person's gaze can bring about misfortune or harm to another person or object. It is usually thought to be unintentional, but the consequences can still be serious. The belief is often associated with envy or jealousy and is thought to have originated in ancient times. To protect against the evil eye, various amulets and symbols are used, such as the hamsa or the nazar. Despite its cultural significance, there is no scientific evidence to support the existence of the evil eye.